I'm really excited today to have received the new Studio S collection from American Standard, which has all the bathroom pieces, but also kitchen faucets.
It's new for American Standard and very, very different. This is modern, clean, contemporary, new finishes, and I'm seeing a lot of matte black, and I'm surprised.
Okay, so starting with the bathroom collection, these vanities are modular.
I like the way that you can piece them together. You can add this great wooden open concept piece in the center to join two vanities together. There's a lot of different options for the sink as well. There's the integrated ceramic sink, and then you have the bowl on top of the countertop.
It still feels very slim and low profile.
Actually, the tub is my favorite piece.
Is it?
Yeah. If you were looking for clean, modernist lines, there's not a lot of tubs that look like this on the market. You'll notice that they're in keeping with the new trend in toilets, which is this sleek, low tank. All of the mechanisms are concealed, and it's really a nice, clean look.
It's a lovely contemporary toilet. And now faucets, again, very sleek with that contemporary vibe, and they come in polished chrome, matte black, and brushed nickel.
I like the matte black. I finished a bathroom recently in matte black, and it's surviving the test of time, and it wears really well. I like that they've given you some options. You get the tall gooseneck, the low gooseneck, the low profile straight, and then you have the mono faucets with the pulls up top. You've got a lot of variety to choose from.
Let's talk about the kitchen collection now. The Studio S collection of kitchen products features the same modern look, again with the chrome and the black, and the stainless steel finishes.
I love these faucets. So instead of having the pull down spout, you get the arc. You can spray down your entire sink with a flexi hose. The look of it makes it feel like your kitchen's quite professional.
I love the matte black in the kitchen. It's a nice turn from all the gold we were seeing. And this is a bit more modern, and I love it.
There's a trick where you have a room, and it could be a single palette, it could be tonal, and you would throw in one item that's black. Just to give your eye a place to land. This could be that piece in an all-white kitchen. This could be the one black moment.